y'all can put that away. Unless you want to use it for this next part, but it's up to y'all because y'all can use any of the other ones too. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do a pausing point. So in this unit, you have learned many things about the solar system and the objects that inhabit it. Today, you will make a postcard that states, "Greetings from." So you'll need your readers, which is your tiny book. You can use your tiny book. Your note card, which I'm about to get somebody passed out. You need markers, color pencils, and crayons. So I need one person from the group to go get a box of Miss Macy's crayons or markers if you have them yourself. Hey,
I have crayons. This one is markers. I have markers. Yeah, you got those markers. Those are highlighters and markers.
Okay, hurry back to your desk. Eyes on me. Okay, so you're going to write greetings on a planet. Does anybody know, we're going to be making a postcard. Has anybody made a postcard before? You know what a postcard looks like? Okay, so a postcard is like a little letter basically. So you'll create a postcard from one of the 8 planets. On the front, which is this side, the blank side. On the front, you would draw a picture of the planet, and on the back, you'll write a brief message to a friend or family member as if you were visiting the planet. Also, don't forget to include the address. Y'all know how to write your address?
It's a space address. I don't have it write it. I don't have it write it.
You do?
I just write my address, and then you write your address on that plate.
Really?
I don't know how.
Did everybody hear what he just said?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if you don't know your real address, you don't have to do it. It's going to be a fake address from the planet. So you can write it. You can make your own. Doesn't matter. So when you're writing your message, everybody listening?
Yes, ma'am.
When you write your message, you have to at least include one of the vocabulary words that we just went over. And I'll put them back on the board for you if you want me to. But here's some examples. If I was making a postcard, I would probably choose the planet Neptune because it is the farthest planet. And I would just want to be far, far away.
That's what I was gonna choose.
You're going to choose that too?
I'm gonna choose planet. I'm gonna choose Venus. I'm gonna write to Venus. I'm gonna write to Jupiter. I'm gonna write to Venus. I'm gonna Jupiter.
I guess I loaded the wrong one.
Okay, you're gonna do
Anyways, I had a slide that had the planets on it and what a postcard looks like, but I guess I put yeah, that is one you can do like that if you want to. There was one example that it had the address. It looked like a real postcard, and it had a. What do you have to have on a postcard when you mail it?
A stamp.
A stamp. Thank you, lady. So what are you going to write in the corner? What are you going to draw?
A stamp.
So you have to have a stamp. You have to have your address. You have to have the name of the planet that you are writing from, and you have to have at least one vocabulary word. Okay? And make sure you do really good on this because we're going to show some of them to the class when we get through. And you must have must be clear. I want your message to be clear. And I want when people read that sentence with your vocabulary word in it, I want them to be able to use context clues to figure out that word. So what if you're sending it from space and you're sending it to your friend who's in 1st grade or 2nd grade and they don't know what that word means? Do you want them to be able to read your letter and understand what the words mean in it?
Yeah.
So make sure you have good context clues in your message so they can understand. Okay? So y'all can work on this with a partner or in your groups. It doesn't matter. It's up to y'all, but just make sure it's colorful. Y'all can get into your space partners if you want to, or you can stay at your desk. It's up to y'all. Yeah, you can do it by yourself. Or if you just want to stay in your group and just work on it together, that's fine. It doesn't matter. Just figure out what you're about to do quickly so you can go ahead and start this.
I was gonna be on Let's do this, everybody. Yeah,
Don't we have a poster somewhere in the room that can help us answer that question? Thank you.
Yeah, on the back side you're gonna draw it, make it all colorful. You're gonna write your message, put a stamp in it. Okay. You can make that anything you want. I had examples of things, they're not on
Hey, why don't you, Anna, Miss Anna, why don't you draw a postcard and put it on the camera projector? So me and her,
like the seven, but then I realized I'm supposed to go in there when it's a gas plant.
but she said it was an imaginary thing. You can be wherever you want to.
I know I can open it, but it always digs down right there. Poster about this, so I can see if I'm.
Baby, you've got a book with all the planets in them, Adeline. I love it. It's beautiful. Now you have to do your postcard on the back. So Miss Anna's about to show you how you're supposed to write your address and stuff on the back.
So I'm going to like Neptune 226, living it on Cabot because I feel sick.
Okay.
Okay, everybody look up here. This is my postcard. Can you see it?
Oh, it's pretty. So neat.
There's a button on the end. Poke it and it'll focus. Yep.
Okay. So I made up a fake name for my friend named Caitlin Smith. I put her address on there because that's where I'm sending it to. This is where my stamp will be. And I put, hey, I'm on planet Neptune. I'm on the farthest planet from the sun. Can you believe it? Hope you can come visit soon. That was my message. But I didn't use a vocabulary word, so y'all are going to have to use a vocabulary word. I could have said, when I look out my window on Neptune, I see astronauts floating around. Did I use the vocabulary word? Okay, and then on the back, you're going to draw a picture. And make sure on your picture part you put what planet you're going to so we can know. That's good. Write the title of your, like your planet.
But Wesley, what other planets have rings that we can't necessarily see and all? Oh.
The key.
Really, which one are you doing?
You don't need to look at this inappropriate. Here, give me that. It really is.
Yeah. Which one? What? Okay, y'all hurry up. I want to see some examples that I can put on the board.
Okay.
I want some nice, pretty, clean, neat examples.
I dropped planet Earth because I'm standing under. Okay,
It's recess.
Okay. It's back to be recess time, so everybody can finish that up. And y'all got to go to recess.
MASON.
It's a water.